Here is a quick tip about a lesser known field component called reference many count. Here I have a list of orders. Each order is related to one customer, and when I click on the customer show view shows an orders tab listing the orders for that customer. Well, that's fine, but the user doesn't know how many orders there are until they click on the tab. So it would be better if the orders tab showed the actual number of orders for that customer. Let's look at the customer show view. The orders tab here accepts a count prop, which would be the number of elements to display in the tab. So it works fine, except now all the customers have 5 orders, even though they have less than that. So I need to put a dynamic value here. And for that, I'm going to use the reference many count. And reference many count works just like reference many field, the field that I'm using here to display the list of orders. It will take the same parameters, the reference and the target, and now I can have a dynamic count. So here it's 3 orders, now it's 6 orders for this one 3 orders as well, etc., etc. So one thing I noticed is that some of the orders were cancelled and returned here. So the user would prefer to have only the number of non-return orders. Fortunately, the reference many count accepts a filter prop, and I can just say filter returned false, and now there are only 2 non-return orders for this customer, and for this one it will be only 5 because there is 1 return, etc. And I can use this field component in data grid as well, so I can use it, for instance, I'm just copying the code here in the customer list right here. I will need to import the components, and now I show the number of related orders for each user. So that's it for reference many count. As usual, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and until next time, happy coding.